or assault rather, 20 to 32 years. He didn't throw a rock, and that's what he's facing.
Yes. First of all, Judge Ashley, thank you always for having me. Always a pleasure to see you. Yeah, you know, Judge Ashley, here's the thing. These three kids conspired together to cause havoc. And the philosophy behind it is they're all culpable in one way or another. And the defense attorney is going to have a field day cross-examining him because it's convenient that he said he wasn't part of the giggling. He wasn't part of the celebration of throwing these rocks. It's very convenient, though, because he was still there and he was still actively participating in some capacity, which is enough in this case to get him 20 to 30 years, honestly.
How do you feel about his testimony? Do you find it credible? Maybe take that piece away that I agree with you. That's where cross-examination is going to go after him. But the details and really talking about the escalation, how where they were throwing at a parked car, knowing that according to his testimony, the defendant on trial right now for murder was the one driving the vehicle, the way they were launching these larger landscaping rocks. I mean, I find the details, I'm captivated by his testimony to learn of the callousness with which these three acted.
It's so true, Judge Ashley. I think what's jarring is what we see in young people a lot, right? Where they think it's a prank, but this was a deliberate escalation. Not only deliberate escalation, but, you know, the jury is going to think in their minds, these kids knew better. It's just an aggravated, ridiculous, almost group think, like kind of egging each other. Let's go further and further and further and see what havoc we can create. And here's the issue more than anything. When you throw rocks at moving cars, people are going to get hurt and killed. It is absolutely an expectation that is reasonable to think. And this is where the DA's argument comes in so powerfully. And his testimony is, you know, as a defense attorney, Judge Ashley, I'm just going to say, it's credible, but convenient, isn't it? Well, I was really sick and I really wanted to go home, but I didn't go home and I wasn't laughing and enjoying it, but I was there actively participating. Those contradictions I don't like. It's too convenient because you got a plea deal. That bothers me. But he's a well-spoken, obviously intelligent young man. Again, Judge Ashley, who should have known better.
Yeah, dumb actions by all three of these, no matter what you think at the end of the day. It was just really kind of stupid activities. But you're right. He testified he was passing the rocks out to the both of the co-defendants. So regardless of how he was feeling about it, he was engaging in those actions. All right, stay with us, Silva. We're going to step aside for a quick break.